If your Apple TV second generation remote has stopped responding, there are several key troubleshooting steps to get it working again. The most common cause of an unresponsive remote is a depleted battery. The second generation Siri remote charges using a lightning cable and takes approximately 3 hours for a full charge. Since there's no charging indicator on the remote itself, you need to check the battery status through your Apple TV settings. Navigate to Settings, then select Remotes and Devices to view your remote's current battery level and connection status. If charging isn't the issue, the next step is to restart your remote. To restart the remote, press and hold both the TV Control Center button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. You'll see a remote disconnected notification, then wait for the remote to restart. If restarting doesn't solve the problem, you'll need to repair the remote with your Apple TV. To repair your remote, point it directly at your Apple TV from within 3 inches. Press and hold the back or menu button along with the volume up button for 5 seconds. If prompted, place the remote on top of your Apple TV to complete the pairing process. Software updates can sometimes cause remote disconnection issues, so repairing is often necessary after tvOS updates. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Apple TV remote connectivity issues. If your remote still isn't working after trying these solutions, there may be more advanced issues to address. When your Apple TV remote's infrared functionality stops working, preventing you from controlling TV power and volume, there are several advanced troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try performing a hard reset of the remote. This involves pressing the TV button and volume down button simultaneously for exactly 5 seconds. Next, ensure there are no physical obstructions between your remote and Apple TV. The infrared signal needs a clear line of sight to function properly. In your Apple TV settings, you can delete the existing infrared profile and relearn the volume controls. This often resolves compatibility issues with your TV or sound system. If the remote issues persist, try restarting your Apple TV by unplugging it from power for at least 6 seconds, then plugging it back in. Check for tvOS software updates, as Apple frequently releases fixes for remote connectivity issues. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Software Updates. As a temporary solution, you can use your iPhone or iPad as an Apple TV remote. Simply ensure you're logged into the same iCloud account as your Apple TV. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Apple support. They may offer service programs or remote replacement, especially if you have Apple Care coverage.